Morning students, so this is the second part of the book exercises of lesson number 1, matter physics. Okay, so in the last video we have discussed the B prompt, short and precise questions, the flow charts and give reasons. Now today we'll discuss answer in short. Okay, so let's focus on the first question. How is an atom different from a molecule? So the answer will be, an atom is the smallest unit of an element which may or may not have an independent existence but always takes part in chemical reactions, whereas the smallest unit of matter which can exist independently and retain all the physical and chemical properties of that substance is called a molecule. Okay, then explain diffusion with the help of an example. So you'll write the answer for the second number question. So let's proceed to question number 2. Explain diffusion with the help of an example. So when we put a drop of blue ink in clear water of a beaker, then we will observe that soon the blue color of the ink dissolves in water and the entire beaker appears slightly bluish in color. This process is called diffusion and occurs due to continuous random motion of molecules of ink and water. Now let's see the third questions. Do gases have a fixed shape and size? Give reasons. Write the answer. Gases do not have a fixed shape and size due to large intermolecular distance and almost negligible intermolecular force of attraction. Okay, you will write with the distance between the molecules. Okay, so that meaning will be correct. Between the molecules and almost negligible intermolecular force of attraction. Full stop. Due to this, the molecules in gases are very loosely packed and move freely in all directions. Okay, now next question. Why can the molecules of liquid move freely? You'll write the answer. Due to weak intermolecular force, the molecules in liquid are not fixed at their positions and can move freely. Okay, this much you will write. So explain the following terms: atom, matter, element, intermolecular force and intermolecular space. So you'll find the answer for atom here. The smallest unit of an element, vocabulary, page number 7, which may or may not have an independent existence but always take parts in chemical reaction, is called an atom. And second number, molecule also you will find. Then intermolecular distance or intermolecular space is the distance between the molecules of a substance, whereas intermolecular force, the force of attraction between molecules of a material, is called intermolecular force. Okay, then C, element. So element is a substance which cannot be subdivided into two or more simpler substances by any physical or chemical means. So you will write like this. Then differentiate the following. So you will write the differentiation between here, from here, solid, liquids and gases, page number 6. Okay, so solids and liquids will be like this. The molecules in a solid are tightly packed. The molecules in a liquid are not very tightly packed. Hence, the intermolecular distance is moderate. The intermolecular distance is least. Second, the intermolecular forces are strongest in solid. The intermolecular forces are moderate in liquids. Solids have a fixed shape and size and possesses a definite volume, whereas liquids have a definite volume but not fixed shape. Solids are rigid, liquids are less rigid. The molecules of a solid do not move but vibrate at their mean position. The molecules in a liquid can move in all directions but within the boundary of the liquid. More difference is that solids do not flow, liquids flow. Okay, so like that you will write. solids have a fixed shape, so liquids take the shape of the container in which they are poured in. Similarly, the difference between liquids and gas, you'll write solid to gases. No differentiation is your homework. Now let's see question number C. Read the given experiment to show the molecules have very small size carefully. Identify the incorrect parts of the process. So I have just underlined the incorrect parts and written over it. So this one you will do in your book. Take 3 to 4 crystals of potassium permanganate. Dissolve them in 50 ml of water. In a steel beaker it is written, you underline steel and you write glass. A deep purple colored solution is obtained. So underline red and write purple over it. Then see the second line. Take 10 milliliter of the obtained solution and add it to another beaker B containing 40 milliliter of kerosene. So you underline kerosene and write water. Then see the next part. Due to this, the clear water turns purple but lighter than the previous case. Now take 10 ml of water from beaker B and add it to another beaker C containing 40 milliliter of water. The water in beaker C turns colored and darker in shade. You underline darker and write lighter in shade. Then write a short note on molecules. Answer in detail. So you will come to page number 2. Okay. So you'll write matter is made up of, from here. Okay. Matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. From here to you write up to carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the answer number first. So matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. 2 or more atoms are combined to form a molecule. A molecule is the smallest unit of matter which can exist independently and retains all the physical and chemical properties. A molecule can either be made up of same type of atoms like molecule of oxygen, molecule of hydrogen, or different types of atom like water molecule and carbon dioxide molecule. So this much will be first answer. See second question. Give the characteristics of solids. State the important characteristics of the molecules of matter. So here the characteristics of molecules are given for second number. So you'll write following are the characteristics of molecules. Okay, so molecules are very small in size. So up to naked eyes you will write. Molecules have spaces between them. That molecules are arranged in a, you will write the complete here. And molecules are constantly moving. Molecules are never at rest. They are in constant random motion. Okay. Moving along a fixed in the zigzag motion rather than, see, the molecules are in zigzag motion rather in fixed defined path. Okay, then the molecules attract each other. So the molecules always show force of attraction. Okay, this is called intermolecular force of attraction. Up to this you will write. Then come the next question. Write the characteristics of solid. So write solids have the following characteristics. From here you will write, and you will write any 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, or 4 you write. Then next question, write the characteristics of liquid. Again, liquids have the following characteristics. From here you will write the first 4. Okay, then next write the characteristics of gases. So same, you turn the page number 6, and you'll write gases have the following characteristics, 4 points. Okay, then see the next question. From page number 6, changes in the states of matter, full paragraph. Okay, then review your learning. This is your homework. Okay, so you'll do you by yourself.